Baiting a hook, mastering a classic English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, baiting a hook. This expression is not just about fishing. It has deeper meanings and uses in everyday English. Let's dive in and discover together. The phrase, baiting a hook, originates from the activity of fishing. It involves placing bait, like a worm or a piece of food, on a fishing hook to attract and catch fish. This action is a key part of fishing, and it's a skill that requires patience and precision. In English, we often use phrases in a metaphorical or figurative sense. When someone says they are baiting a hook, it can mean they are setting up a situation to attract someone or something, much like bait attracts fish. It's commonly used in contexts where someone is trying to entice or lure others into a situation, sometimes for deceptive purposes. Let's see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In business, a manager might say, "We need to bait the hook to attract more clients." This means creating strategies or offers that are enticing to potential customers. 2. In a social scenario, someone might say, "He's just baiting a hook with those compliments," suggesting that the compliments are given with an ulterior motive, perhaps to gain a favor. When using this phrase, be aware of its contextual appropriateness. Since baiting a hook can imply deception, it's important to use it in situations where it won't be misunderstood as accusing someone of dishonesty. Also, avoid confusing it with similar phrases like "off the hook" or "take the bait," which have different meanings. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, baiting a hook, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and meanings behind them. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.